If nothing is not just emptiness, or nothing but contains something, a catalyst for creation, it would mean the void itself would have all the necessary components to form itself into existence. Creation has everything and the building blocks that it requires. If everything is energy, then there must be a universal energy frequency that it has or can produce, the combination that can see or produce existence of life, some type of experiencing itself through dreams. This explains why everybody falls asleep near the same dreamlike pattern, a universal reset button. To go home, to be true self, or true home, the dream within the dream, where the soul perspective is its origin point, its homeworld. Unlike physical reality, is what is dreaming when it leaves this plane, to go experience in the third dimensional properties of solid existence and individuality within the multiverse construct. It's alive, it's sleeping, and it's dreaming. While things manifest by thoughts and energy, the key of reality on physical form, the vibrational language is action. Small amounts of change will be observable. Slight differences, changes when you shift through multi-dimensional worlds. Probabilities that arise from the construct to construct. Attribute changes, slight differential changes to one observable. For example, a lock that was twisted right to be able to be secured is now twisted left to be able to secure it. A long-time friend that had not been spoken to for a long time suddenly reappears or calls. The shifting of frequency, I say, you'll be able to perceive them once more. Some mass changes under these effects were dubbed the Mandela effect, where certain populations remember Mandela was alive and others remember he was passed away. It could only mean a shift or a parallel reality Earth had been destroyed and all the necessary memories were transferred to the Earth that still contained the energy form representation of the doppelganger that was there, and the energies combined and merged.